Let me show you how to set up Bixby on your Samsung S25 and S25 Ultra. First go in the settings and then find your advanced features. Click on Bixby and we have to basically train it to match our voice. Next. So yeah, let's click next. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 AM. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Okay, so yep, also you can choose how you want to summon by either saying hi Bixby or Bixby. So let's maybe set this. Yep, allow this. Okay, and then it should be unlocked. So you can simply say hi Bixby, set timer for 7 minutes.
I'll start the timer for 7 minutes.
So you see, yeah, pretty cool, and start a timer. Also, you can summon it also by holding the power button as well. So you see, okay, by default, this may be Launch or Gemini, but if you want to set for Bixby, we can also go again in the advanced features side button, long press, and you can set it for Bixby here as well. So you see, if you press and hold, that will also launch the Bixby here. Okay, good luck.